Hi, good morning, y'all.
Good morning.
I'm gonna show you how I start my day as a pretty girl. And to maintain my pretty privilege, first of all, I literally have to listen to my affirmations.
I'm a bad little bitch and I'm slick like a Barbie. Hips, lips, ass in a cardi. I'm a straight motherfucker. Hello, motherfucker.
I literally start my day with listening to my bad B playlist. Cause shit, baby, she know shit. Is it just me or do I look fatter? Do I look fatter to you? Be honest. Why does my face look like this? Why is my face so pretty? Why is my face so cute? Why do I have such a lovely face? That's the attitude.
I'm a bad little bitch and I'm slick like a Barbie.
Alright, as a pretty girl, something I like to do in the morning is a detox drink just to cleanse my system because a lot has been happening in the night and I'm gonna show you how. Let's go. Cheers to beauty. Ugh. Alright, I just finished reading that book. That's the book that I said we were gonna read this month. This is the book I'd love us to read together in this journey. The title is You Can If You Think You Can. Because if you can change your mind for real, you can change your life. But then I haven't made like any proper videos for you guys because I don't worry. I'm gonna give you all the way. Doing my chores and it's like I'm sweating. So I'm like, do I still work out?
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco.
Alright, oh my god, I just finished my squat now and it's time to get into my favorite part of this morning routine, skincare. So I'm gonna be showing you like the skincare I've been on. Oh my god, Lord, let me catch my breath for a second. Quickly changed out into my robe and we're gonna be shaving. So for my shaving routine, I'm literally using this powder. I found it from Pinterest. Thanks Pinterest girlies. But then it smells horrible. Like it smells horrible, but it works and it doesn't leave any razor bumps and it's just super easy. So let's shave together. I'm just gonna I have this brush that I've designated for this purpose only, so let's shave. I literally had to switch to the African wrapper so I can be able to access my armpits and still show you guys what's going on. So, and I'm thick, sit like a Barbie. So I'm just gonna do my bikini area off camera. Then after 8 minutes, we're gonna hop in the shower, take it off, and I'll show you another routine. This is the mixture. What's good? This is turmeric, honey, and lemon. Just mix it all together. I'll apply this to my face, and I would also apply it to my armpits and to my bikini area. This gets rid of dark spots, sunburns naturally. I mean, Pinterest really be putting me on. If you're like, oh, I don't have money to buy all these expensive assets, this is a natural thing that still gives you the same results. But you know, consistency is key in everything you do. I just finished. This is what it looks like on me, and I'm going to wait for 5 minutes, and yeah, I'll be outside to show you guys the results. See you soon. Alright, so I'm literally out of the shower and it's exactly 12. By the way, if you wanted to see my shower routine, I have a shower routine video on my YouTube shorts, so check that out. This is my outfit. Outfit check.
I'm a bad little bitch and I'm slick like a Barbie.
I was going to wear something sexy for you guys, but the weather is just too hot. I couldn't, so I have to wear my nice dress, even though it's not night. So I'm wearing this black lace top. Look at it. Oh, and this is my armpits. Then I'm wearing these black pants, and of course my beaded slides or whatever. Yeah, guys, I tried to get rid of these black spots and this sunburn, and it made my face lighter than my body. I don't know if you can see it. Like, my face is significantly lighter than my body, and I just cringe every time because I'm like, yeah. So right now I'm not even doing anything on my face again. I'm just embracing the spots. Yeah, I mean, a pretty girl is a pretty girl regardless. I'm just embracing it for real. And on my face, I just use Vaseline. Literally, that's the only thing I use. And you can see, if you look at my face, like, without the sunburn, I'm still glowing. So I'm just trying to get my face to match my body again. Then the dark spots, I'll just pretend they are freckles or beauty spots or whatever, because yeah, I'm also hungry. Look at my tummy. Look at it, look at it. It's so flat. And I don't even do tummy exercises for real. When I give y'all some tips, follow the tips, because the tips be tipping. Yeah, this is what my bum looks like. I've done 50 squats. Yeah. Still fucked up. Still fucked up. You know what to do. You check for you. Yeah, then I also applied Vaseline and castor oil to my lashes. Yeah, like, I'm literally just taking a break right now from any beauty procedures and just trying to heal, because I was doing lashes back to back to back to back to back, and it was like, where are my lashes? So I'm just trying to grow them out again, because the summer will feel a bit lit, you know. Like, it's going to be back to back to back to back to back again. So I just put castor oil and Vaseline, and I also apply the same thing to my brows. Like, right now it's just laid back routine, like I said, not doing too much, because why? When you're pretty, you're pretty. Yeah, guys, I'm going to edit this video right now. No, I'm going to eat. Yeah, I'm going to eat, edit this video, and then do some more chores and just relax and scroll through social media. So thank you for watching the pretty girl's routine. On the weekend, we're going to do a hair care routine because my hair is looking a bit like a mess. Yeah, so thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in another video. And I'm sitting like a Barbie. Got a Barbie. Oh, I'm sitting like a Barbie. Sit like a Barbie.